Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review video, I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic from the front page of the top 3 search engines, and you can get your offer seen on there in a matter of days, and it will stay there permanently so you can get a consistent stream of traffic, leads, and sales just by using LeadsLeap. So I'm going to use an offer that I promote called Lead Skimmer as an example. I'm going to type in here Lead Skimmer Review. And what you'll see here is, because when somebody's looking to join the program, they go into Google and they type in the name of the product and they type in review. And because LeadsLeap has been online since 2008, it's what's called a high authority site. And what that means is it has the power and the juice and the backlinks to rank very highly in the search engine. So you'll see on Google that Lead Skimmer, LeadsLeap social reviews are ranking at the top above the YouTube videos. And if I scroll down here, it's ranking above the official Lead Skimmer site itself. So this is very powerful. This is how you get to the top of the search engines. I'm going to go into Bing, which is probably the second most visited website, and you'll see here Lead Skimmer. What users say is LeadsLeap reviews, and this is at the top of LeadsLeap. And if we go into Yahoo, so Google, Yahoo, and Bing are the top 3. Bear with me. We're going to go into here and type in Lead Skimmer review. So I live in the UK, and this is the Yahoo UK site. And the first one is an advert for Amazon, and the next one is Lead Skimmer review, the LeadsLeap what users say. And again, here you'll see it here. So all you do is you go into the link in the description and you get a free lifetime membership with LeadsLeap. It can be forever free. You don't even have to upgrade to get ranked on the search engines with the offer you're promoting. Once you set up a free account, you go into your back office and you come down here to social reviews. And this is where you write a review on any offer or program that you're promoting. And it's not just in the make money online niche. There's lots of other niches as well. If you're not too confident to write a good review, what you can do is you can go into read reviews, click on there, and you can get lots of different ideas on the reviews in here. So you'll see all the different categories. So there's an A to Z of categories. It's not just the make money online niche. There's all the other different niches in here that you can write the reviews on. And then all you do is you go on to my reviews. You go click on my reviews, and then you go on to add a new review. And it gives you a nice little template here, step by step on how to do it. You put your domain of the program you're promoting. Your affiliate link goes into there. Tells you all the do's and don'ts. It's really easy. You rate the product you're promoting. So you give it a rating out of 5 stars. And then you write your review in here. So again, if you're not too confident, get some ideas off other reviews, and then it gives you lots of do's and don'ts here. So as long as you're giving an honest review about how it's working for you and the benefits of the program, and also people writing what they dislike about it, so it doesn't all need to be hype. Don't hype anything up. And then once you submit that, within 2 or 3 days, LeadsLeap will come back and they will have your review live, and then you will start to get ranked on the search engines. And let me just show you here now. If we go into Let's just show you the lead skimmer one here. Well, in fact, if I go back into Google and click on that link there, so this just gives you an idea. And if you write one now, you'll go into the most recent. So you go into the most recent. This is for lead skimmer. And then what happens is your link goes into here and it gets rotated as a free member. So that's how you get traffic, leads, and sales. And you'll see my review down here, another link there that goes straight to the offer. So once prospects have read the reviews, you'll see here that's my review. And then once prospects have read, these are real user reviews. Once prospects read the reviews, and if they want to join, they'll click on there. That will go to the program itself, and then they rotate the affiliate link at the top there. And if I just show you now how this works, if I go into my Gmail account, you'll see here that I've got that lead skimmer review, and then you can start to get leads by using this strategy. So this is just one of several strategies that I use to generate leads to my offers. You'll see here that sometimes three leads, some of these more than one lead comes in per day. So it's a very simple strategy to do. If you're a pro member, your link will get rotated more often. And you'll just see there, you'll see that lead skimmer have also paid me $250 in commissions. So it's a great way to get ranked on the search engines. It's a great way to get traffic to any offer you're promoting. And it's also a great way just to automate your traffic and do these reviews. So if you've enjoyed the video today, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, I do new content every single week, then please click the subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So I've currently now got over 600 videos on the channel and new content every single week. If you've got any questions all about LeadsLeap or any questions about these social reviews, about writing them or the rankings that you get, but you've got the side-by-side tutorials within LeadsLeap that help you every step of the way. It's a very, very beginner-friendly platform for anyone to get started. But I use the platform every single day. So I'm here to help you and support you if you've got any questions on not just the social reviews of LeadsLeap, but any aspect of using the LeadsLeap tools and the traffic, etc. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. There'll be a link in the description where you can set up a free account, have a look around the back office, and start to get some free automated page one search engine traffic. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye for now.